Hello and welcome back everybody to the channel. Today in this quick video I'll be showing you how to find and recover deleted messages on iMessage. Now this method works for both iPhones and iPads, so let's jump right into it. First we open the iMessage app, and then from here we go ahead and tap on Edit on the top left corner. Now keep in mind you might find filters instead of edit. That's because you have turned on filters for unknown numbers from settings. But in both cases, just tap on Edit or Filters on the top left corner. And from there, a small menu should pop up. We choose the last option in the menu, which says Show Recently Deleted. We tap on it, and there it takes us to where the deleted messages are stored. Now keep in mind that these conversations will stay there for 30 days, and they will be deleted permanently after 40 days. From here, we just tap the circle to the left of the conversation that we want to recover, and then tap on Recover on the bottom right corner. Tap on Recover the messages again, and just like that the conversation is recovered and it goes back here to messages. Now it's important to know that you cannot recover individual messages, just whole conversations. And it must be mentioned that you can only do this method if you have updated your device to iOS 16 or iPad OS 16. Now if you want to find or recover messages that you have deleted before 30 days, you have to check your iCloud backup. Now to find those deleted conversations in that backup, it has to predate the day that you deleted those conversations in. So if you're lucky enough and this is the case for you, let's go ahead and recover the backup as shown in the next steps. First you'll have to be in Settings, and then you scroll down to General, you tap on it, and from there scroll all the way down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. You tap on it, and then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now it is very important to know that when you do this, all of your data will be wiped, so make sure you don't lose any of your important data. And that's it guys, this is how to find and recover deleted messages on iMessage. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, of course, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe to this channel for future solutions to such tech problems and tutorials for your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.